La 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 la. Alright, so we have one beautiful SAT question here. It says there are 800 students in a school and 45% of the students are male. If 30% of the male students and 25% of the female students play varsity sports, how many students play varsity sports? Alright, so this is a percentage question. It's stackable. Alright, so let's dash into it. First of all, we need to know what 45% of the male is. Alright, so you can punch that into your calc. Alright, so what's 45% of 800? Alright, so 800 times 0.45, that's 45%. Alright, so we will have that, and that will give us what? 800 times 0.45, that is 360. So that's 360 what? Males. Alright, males. So that automatically means that for the female, the number of females is 800 minus 360. This should give us 440 females. 440 females. 440 females. Okay, 440 females. Alright, so we know the number of males and the number of what? Of females. Okay? Alright, so we are told that 30% of the males. So how many males? That would be 30% of 360. So let's see, this is what? 360. Alright, times 0. Times 0.3. Times 0.3, that will give us, so 360. Alright, so 360 times 0.3, that will give us 108 males. So we have 108 males. What about 25%? What's 25% of 40? So that is 440. Alright, so 440 times 0. Okay, so times 0.25. Okay, times 0. So yeah, 440 times 0.25, that will give us 110 what? Females. Alright, so it means therefore that to know the total number of students playing the varsity sport, that is going to be what? 108. Are we there? So plus 110. Alright, so this will be equals to 218. 218. Are we there? So that's 218. 218 students play varsity sport. Alright, so play varsity sport. Play varsity sports. You understand? So it's as simple as that. That's how you calculate that. If you have any question or any aspect of this that is not very clear, you can leave it at the comment section. Thank you very much.